AWS is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform. Millions of customers trust AWS to power their infrastructure and applications. Organizations of every type and size are using AWS to lower costs, become more agile, and innovate faster. AWS provides on-demand delivery of technology services via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. You can use these services to build and run virtually any type of application without upfront costs or ongoing commitments. You only pay for what you use. AWS gives you more services and more features within those services than any other cloud provider. This makes it faster, easier, and more cost-effective to move your existing applications to the cloud and to build anything you can imagine. From infrastructure technologies like compute, storage, and databases, to emerging technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, data lakes and analytics, and Internet of Things. Building on AWS means you can choose the right tool for the job. For example, AWS offers the widest variety of databases that are purpose-built for different types of applications. With AWS, you can leverage the latest technologies to experiment and innovate more quickly. We are continually accelerating our pace of innovation to invent entirely new technologies you can use to transform your business. Like pioneering the serverless computing space with the launch of AWS Lambda, which lets developers run their code without provisioning or managing servers. And AWS built Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed machine learning service that empowers everyday developers and scientists to use machine learning without any previous experience. We are constantly expanding our global network of AWS regions, so you can access AWS services to build and run your applications from anywhere in the world. Each of these regions has multiple availability zones that are physically separated from each other and connected by low latency, high throughput, and highly redundant networking. This makes it easy to design and operate applications that are scalable, fault-tolerant, and highly available. Our infrastructure is built to satisfy the security standards of the most risk-sensitive organizations. You also have access to the AWS Partner Network, which has thousands of systems integrators who specialize in AWS services, and tens of thousands of independent software vendors who adapt their technology to work on AWS. With the largest community of customers across every industry, AWS has unmatched experience and operational expertise you can depend upon for your most important applications in every imaginable use case.
AWS is architected to be the most flexible and secure cloud computing environment available today. Millions of customers trust AWS to provide the infrastructure and services needed to confidently and securely run their business in an ever-evolving, automation-driven environment. Security at AWS starts with our core infrastructure. Designed to meet the most stringent security requirements, we monitor our infrastructure 24/7 to help ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. We built our core infrastructure to satisfy security requirements for global banks, the military, and other high-sensitivity organizations. To help you secure your workloads and applications, AWS provides a wide variety of deeply integrated and rigorously tested services that can be combined to automate tasks in innovative ways. This makes it easier for developers to create and deploy code quickly and securely, so you can safely build anything you can imagine. For example, using technologies like machine learning, AWS enables you to automatically discover, classify, and protect sensitive data with just a few clicks in the AWS console. You can also automate infrastructure and application security checks to continually enforce your security and compliance controls and help protect your data. AWS is vigilant about protecting your privacy and implements sophisticated technical and physical measures to prevent unauthorized access. You'll build on the most secure global infrastructure, knowing your data is safe and managed. You can encrypt your data, move it, and manage its retention. all data flowing across the AWS global network that interconnects our data centers and regions is automatically encrypted at the physical layer before it leaves our secured facilities. To support your compliance needs, AWS allows you to continually monitor and achieve third-party validation for thousands of global regulatory requirements. This makes it easier to meet security and compliance standards for finance, retail, healthcare, government, and beyond. With the largest community of customers across industries, AWS has unmatched experience and operational expertise you can depend upon to secure your most important applications. Let AWS automate traditional security challenges so you can start focusing on what matters most to your business.
Welcome to the new era of work. Whether your teams are creating pitch decks or building skyscrapers, Google Workspace helps everyone connect, create, and do their best work.
We knew that we wanted to do something special, different, and unique in emergency management. We'd already seen the power of Google Workspace, and we really wanted to turn that power into making a difference on other people's worst days.
We use Google Workspace inside and outside of everything we do. It makes it super simple to coordinate within documents and collaborate with our teams.
All of our team members have access to Docs, Sheets, Keep, and Drive, whether they're at their computers or on the go.
Google Workspace connects teams across the front line, the home office, and corporate headquarters, creating a culture where everyone can contribute and thrive.
Innovative thinking put together in a common place for teams, that has been an absolute game changer for how Bushel works and the type of work we're able to accomplish.
I would say Google Workspace creates a much stronger link between employees. They can remain in constant contact.
With frictionless workflows, they can go from the blank page to accomplishing goals together faster. And with generative AI, Google Workspace unleashes boundless creativity.
Using Google Workspace will continue to help our community be more resilient in the face of whatever's next to come.
Work better and safer with apps people know and love. Google Workspace is how billions of users and teams of all sizes do their best work every single day.
We're witnessing the shift of generative AI. From a niche technology in the hands of a few to an accessible technology businesses are harnessing to benefit the many. Now you can tap into this opportunity to gain an AI advantage, get to market fast, do it right, and do so responsibly, safely, and securely. Copilots are becoming an AI category in and of themselves, and today, you can build custom copilots to serve the exact needs of your customers and employees. Bringing content generation to all kinds of apps to supercharge creativity. Designing contextual experiences that impress and captivate. And freeing people to focus on their highest value work. This is Azure AI Studio, the place to build your copilots, where you can confidently apply the latest state-of-the-art and open source models. Easily ground responses in your data, knowing privacy is protected. Deliver multimodal interactions beyond text alone that feel more natural. And build on a foundation of trust through every step of app development. The possibilities with AI are limitless. Build your own copilots with Azure AI. Let's do generative AI right together.